How to create a QR code with Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a QR code with Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, open up your Canva account, and what you want to do over here is just simply come over here into the search bar and search for QR code. And down below you will see you have QR code business, but we'll just search for QR code and just simply click on enter. They'll have a bunch of different templates as well, and you can choose whichever template you want. So let's go ahead and select this one, but this is a pro one. We're gonna find we need a free version like this one. We'll use click over here, click on customize this template, and now underneath elements, we're gonna click on elements and search for QR code. It's already here, and we have the application right here. We'll click on use app, click on open. We'll install the application over here. Here we go. And once it's installed, all you have to do is just enter in your URL. So it can be anything. And we'll just simply click on generate QR code, and then you can place it anywhere you want. And there you go. Once you scan it, it'll open up the URL that you have entered. And that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you generate or create a QR code with Canva. So thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.